What's up, kids who technical? I'm back again with another video today. As you can see, I have a 3-in-1 wireless charging pad. The company's name is Zechin, I believe. I don't know, but I will put a link to their website to where you can go purchase this for yourself. So pretty much this is made for your iPhone 13 Pro Max, 13 Pro, iPhone 13, 13 mini, 12 Pro Max, so on and so on. Your iPhone SE 2nd gen, iPhone SE 3rd gen, iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone XS Max, XRs, and 8 Plus. And this also works for your Apple Watch 7, 6, SE, and I have the Apple Watch SE, and this also works for, it goes all the way down to the Apple Watch Series 1, and this works for your AirPods Pro, AirPods 3rd generation, and it's just wireless charging case for AirPods. So pretty much this is what the product looks like on the back here, as you can see there. So now we're just gonna open this up and test it out. I love 3-in-1 wireless charging docking stations. These come in handy. These really come in handy because you can just sit this up on your desktop and put your items on there and you are good to go. So now I'm just going to cut this open at the bottom here because it has a little sticker. Let's see if we can get that sticker off. But I believe you can buy this off of Amazon also, so I'll make sure I'll link the brand's website and Amazon's website down below. So pretty much this is your information. I hope I don't need that. And then you get your charging cable and charging brick here. And then we will open up the box and you are greeted with your charging station. This is a lot thinner and smaller than it looks. It's really thin. I thought it would be a lot bigger, but that is nice that it is thin because this will not take up a lot of space on your desktop, and I will be using this daily. So pretty much this is what it looks like. Like I said, it's thin. So let's get it plugged up real quick. Let's see what we get. Okay, so pretty much you have to place this cable here inside of this here. There's a hole in here, and you just want to make sure this cable sits inside of that hole. So like that. Hold on, let's see. Like that. Goes inside of that hole like that, and then this will just hang here just like that. And now I'm going to plug it up. Okay, I have everything plugged up and everything should be running. So this is what it looked like. So now let me see if I have a charge. So my iPhone 13 Pro Max is currently charging. Your your AirPods will just go back here. Those are charging, and then you will just drop your Apple Watch here, and everything is currently charging together simultaneously. I really like this look. This is neat, small, but nice. So pretty much this is what it looks like, and you get your LED light down here letting you know that everything is charging up, and my Apple Watch is currently turning on. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.